Tobe Energy, we've reduced the cost of producing green hydrogen by over 60%. That means for the first time, hydrogen can finally compete on price with fossil fuels. I'm Colby DeWeese, founder and CEO of Tobe Energy. I've spent over a decade around hydrogen. I know its promise and its pain. Green hydrogen could be a game-changing zero-emission fuel, but until today, it's been too pricey to make sense. That's why this $150 billion industry still runs on fossil fuels, putting off more CO2 emissions than the entire aviation industry, despite the possibility of hydrogen being zero emissions. Most people don't know this, but hydrogen is everywhere. It's what makes fertilizer. Hydrogen feeds the world. But when it's made with fossil fuels, the same hydrogen that's fighting world hunger is also contributing to climate change. Every report on green hydrogen says that it's going to decrease in cost in the next 5 to 10 years. But our competitors are using the same methods that filled the Hindenburg over 100 years ago. Green hydrogen needs a paradigm shift. Think about what LEDs did to the lighting industry. Less wasted energy, substantially lower cost. At Tobe Energy, we didn't wait. We built that breakthrough. Through 3 years of scrappy, bootstrapped R&D, we've put together a pilot system that's already produced thousands of kilograms of hydrogen at 8 times less wasted energy than today's tech. In that LED analogy, that's exactly what we're doing. The same working principles behind LEDs are what power our technology. With no subsidies, no more waiting, we've built tech that finally wins. We can power AI data centers with green hydrogen, storing solar and wind so we have renewables 24/7. Our hydrogen can overnight cut the cost of alternative fuels, where the biggest cost is just the hydrogen that goes in it. And we can do the same thing for green fertilizer. All of this without any rare earth metals and no carbon. Now, thinking of hydrogen as a trillion-dollar industry is finally starting to make sense. And now for the exciting parts. We've locked in over $20 million in signed LOIs and found our beach. Thank you. And we found our beachhead, a market where hydrogen sells for $30 a kilogram and the cost of electricity is low. We've got an incredible team making it happen. From cutting-edge academic R&D to executing $100 million energy projects. We're ready to scale and we're ready to take on the market. At Tobe Energy, we're changing the way that we think about energy. That's not marketing jargon. That's literally what we're doing. If anything I shared today here resonates with you, I'd love to talk after the show. Thank you.